Hey there darlings, welcome back to my channel. This is the second part of the video where I'll be showing you how to install a lace closure. A lot of persons have found lace closures to be extremely helpful, so I truly endorse a closure, and if you'd like to see how to install one very flat, I'll be showing you in this tutorial, so please stay tuned. Alright, so I'm taking out the closure. As you can see, the closure is relatively short in comparison to the other bundles. It is 12-inch, but don't worry about that. Curly hair is quite forgiving. So what you'll need is that you'll need some T-pins to keep the closure in place. And as you can see, I'm pulling it in the back so that it can lay flat against the wig cap. I'm also pulling the closure to the sides, and I'll be using the T-pins again to hold it in place. So I've slowed down the video so that you can see what I'm doing. What I'm doing is that I'm using the pin not to stick it right down, but I'm pushing it out a little bit. That way you get it extremely flat, which is exactly what you want to do when installing closures. So what is important to note is that when you're adding the closure, you will need to use very small stitches to ensure it stays on the wig cap. This is because you'll be removing the wig cap from beneath the closure. You'll see that in the end. So you want to ensure that it will stay and there's no gap in between the closure and the wig cap right at the edges where I'm sewing currently. So we've come to the end of it, and as you see, I'm pulling it forward to ensure that it has not been pulled back during the sewing. And this is the completed closure install. And as you can see, the unit is here. We have some baby hairs that we'll be customizing for the customer later. If you'd like to see more videos like these, please subscribe, like, and share. And I'll be more than happy to answer any questions you may have. Just leave it in the comments bar. Alright guys, have a wonderful day, and thank you so very much for watching.